Morning guys, how we doing? I'm just at a garden centre in Ashbourne waiting for Lawrence Loza. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel down below. Check it out guys, quite a talented guy, nice guy. Waiting for Laurie, then we're going to go and do some ground handling. It's relatively windy, so going to crack on with that, should be fun. And maybe later on go up to Lord's Seat and get some flying in on the mini wing or buzz, we shall see. Yeah, I've driven a long way to come and do ground handling today, but I think a lot of people, guys, they underestimate how important it is. In my opinion, if you have a good launch, you're gonna have a good flight and you'll have a good landing. If your launch is dog shit, the chances are something's gonna go wrong in flight. You're not gonna be in the right frame of mind, and then your landing's gonna be shite. So from start to finish, guys, if everything's nice and smooth, nice and slow, then it's all good. So get out there, practice your ground handling. I certainly need more, and so do a lot of people, just some fail to admit it. So that's the plan today. I'll show you some footage, guys. I don't know how good the footage is going to be, but I'll show you some, just gooning around, and that is about it. All right, I'll catch you later. For a breather. Top landing, as you saw. You can tell the wind is dying down because everyone's moving up here. They were down to my left on the lower part of Lord's Seat, but now they're moving to the higher ground because the wind is dying down, so they need obviously more height when they take off, more chance of staying up. I'll show you around quickly. That's lorry there. So as you can see, guys, there's people fucking everywhere. Another great reason to have half decent ground handling, so when you do launch, you're not dragging your set into somebody else. It's never appreciated. Back to flying. It's bumpy as fuck.